Hello, welcome to this course. Today I'm going to show you how I basically created the splatter neon paint on my wood. So these are the colors that came in the pack. I brought it from, what's that website called? Well, I basically brought it online, and these are the different colors. They got purple, blue, green, orange, and yellow and white. And so basically I'm showing you how I basically splatter all over the wood. I use those two colors. I use a paintbrush and just dab it onto my finger to create the splatter. So this is the thread I use. I bought this online on Amazon. Different colors, pretty colors. I chose to get it for this beautiful art, and this is the thread I'm using. So this is how I create her hair. So I take the thread, I wrap it around the nail. I'll show you the two threads, and I make it into a knot. This took me a while to make it into a knot because for some apparent reason I just couldn't make it into a knot. You'll see me kind of struggle a little bit, and you'll see me just wrap the two threads together, wrap them together whenever pop up. Yeah, I took the two threads and I just put it circling around each and every different nails. I just keep on doing this process until I create different patterns of my Kita's hair. I just keep on going. Basically, I try to fill in all the holes, but there's only a limit of nails I separated, so I couldn't fill in all the nails. The nails wasn't close together, so I have to, just try my best to fill it up. So the way I painted my art, I took the paint and I just painted onto her eyes and her necklace and her face, the neon paint. So next I'm going to be showing you how I created her skin. I think, let's see what, yep, right now I'm showing you how I created her skin, the necklaces, and her eyebrows. Excuse me. And her eyebrows. So for her skin, I used like a brown color, and I tried to, of course, tie into a knot, but that didn't work. So I wrapped the two threads together, and I just went around the other nails. I did it into like a circle. I kept on wrapping it around 4 or 5 times, and I kept on doing it until you can basically see the skin, the color of the thread. And once I was done, I just break it. I basically break the thread, and that's how I created the whole thing. Her top, her boobs, her shoulders, her necklaces, her lips, her eyebrows that you can't really see, but yep, this is my final result. I hope you love it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.